Hello everyone. In this video, I will be teaching you how to put an Excel document in your Jimdo ePortfolio. Now this one can be a little bit tricky because Jimdo does not use Excel file formats. It doesn't recognize it, so we have to get around that. And what we're going to do is use screen captures to put our work on our ePortfolio. So right here you can see I created a document called This is an Example in Excel. If I open this up, you'll see I have this mock-up of a chart of what I could use, and there's a couple ways that I could do this. If you're on a Mac computer, you're going to hit Shift-Command-4, and if you're on a Windows computer, you will hit the button that says +PRTSCN. That's the screen capture button. I'm on a Mac computer, so I'm going to hit Shift-Command-4, and you'll see that my cursor just turned into a more of like a crosshairs target. I will select all that I want to be in my ePortfolio, and I can let go, and it will take a screen capture of my Excel document. I'll go back to my Jimdo ePortfolio and click on Add Element, Add Image, a photo, and we'll upload the photo from our computer. And we'll find the screenshot that we want to use. Click Open, and you'll see that it will put our Excel document in our Jimdo ePortfolio. If you're using a Windows computer, what you would do is you would make that screen capture, and you would crop the image to size and do essentially the same thing, and just put an image in your ePortfolio. Make sure to always hit Save. I can also resize this if I would like. Can make this smaller. And click on Save. Now say for example I wanted just the graph in my ePortfolio. I can do that as well. I'll go back to Excel, do the same thing, Command-Shift-4, and I will select the graph that I want in my ePortfolio. Let go, it just took a picture. Once again, if you're on a Windows computer, it's essentially the same thing. You would just use the screen capture button and crop to size. Go back into my ePortfolio, click Add Element, Photo, Upload Photo, and find the screen capture that we just took and click Open, and it will put the graph in our ePortfolio. I can center the photo, put it wherever I want it, and click on Save. And Jimdo has a nifty feature. If you click on Add Element and go to Additional Features, you'll see that it actually has a feature called Table. If you click on Table, you can fill out the table the same way that you would fill out an Excel document with columns, and you could just create it to match the information that's in your Excel document. Now, I don't necessarily recommend this because you can see right here it has many of the same features that are found in Excel, but it just doesn't have the same computing powers that Excel does. That's why I personally like this screen capture option. But you can fill it in and it will look nice, and it may take a little bit more time, but that is how you would put an Excel document in your Jimdo ePortfolio. I hope this has been helpful. I know it can be a bit tricky, and as you play with the features, you can figure out what a way that you like the most. And that is all for this video. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.